Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. Today we're going over the amazing deals that you can do at CVS this week. The Charmin toilet paper is part of a promotion where you spend $30 and you'll earn a $10 extra buck. Both of these Mega XL packs qualify for that promotion. I opted for the Ultra Soft on the left, priced at $23.99. And I added one of these smaller packs on sale this week at $5.99. The subtotal for these two items comes up to $29.98. Clip this $5 digital coupon for the bigger pack and this $1 coupon for the smaller pack, which will bring your total down to $23.98. But you'll be earning that $10 extra buck for spending $30, making the total for these two products just $13.98. LOreal products are on promotion this week for spend $45 and earn a $20 extra buck. Check your CVS account for any LOreal digital coupons to make this deal so much better. So today, everyone should have received this $5 manufacturer's digital coupon for LOreal and a $5 CRT for any LOreal facial care product. But in my account, I also had this $5 off any $25 LOreal purchase CRT. And that coupon does seem to vary per account. So I grabbed one L'Oreal Bright Renewal Lotion, priced at $34.99. And I accidentally grabbed the wrong cleanser as my second item. So I was supposed to grab this cream cleanser since this product qualifies for that spend $45 and earn the $20 in extra bucks. But I accidentally grabbed the Revitalift Scrub Cleanser, which does not qualify for the extra bucks promotion. So I will be returning this product to the store. So just pretend that this is the Revitalift Cream Cleanser. So the prices might vary per store. So we're just going to use this shelf price for this breakdown. So the subtotal for both of these items comes up to $45.28 minus $15 in digital coupons. The total comes down to $30.28. But you're going to earn that $20 extra buck for spending $45, making the total for these two products just $10.28. I've heard great reviews on the L'Oreal Bright Reveal products on TikTok, so I'm really excited to try this product at an amazing price. In my account, I had this $5 off any 3 Hallmark card CRT. That is a personalized CRT, so not all accounts will have it. And this CRT qualifies for any Hallmark products. So I grabbed one Super Mario themed wrapping paper priced at $4.99 and grabbed 2 of these paper bags priced at 49 cents each. The subtotal for these 3 products comes up to $5.97. Minus the $5 off 3 digital coupon, the total for these 3 products comes down to just 97 cents. And I returned to this specific CVS store to see if I can get more of these Thinks products on clearance. And thank God I was able to find 4 of these. So these Thinks period underwear are clearance down to just $3.99. We have an Ibotta rebate that'll give us back $3. That is a limit of 2. And we have this offer on SHOPKICK that'll give us back 775 kicks, which is equal to $3.10. And this offer is also a limit of 2. So since I found 4 products at the store, I grabbed all 4 and separated them into 2 transactions. That way I could submit one receipt to my husband's Ibotta and SHOPKICK account and the other one to my Ibotta and my SHOPKICK account. So grabbing 2 at $3.99 gives us a subtotal of $7.98. We're getting back a total of $6 from Ibotta, and we're getting back a total of $6.20 from SHOPKICK, making 2 of these completely free plus a $4.22 moneymaker. So since I grabbed a total of 4 of these ended up being completely free plus an $8.44 moneymaker. These are such an amazing deal, so I really hope that you guys can also find these products on clearance at your CVS. This next item is a CVS Health Sore Throat Lozenges priced at $3.99. I had these $2 off cough and cold CRTs in my account. Both of these applied at the register. We don't get overage with coupons, so one of the coupons deducted to $1.99. So both of those coupons ended up making this item completely free. But when I paid for my first transaction at the register, I noticed that this product counted for this promotion where you earn a $4 extra buck when you purchase 2 cough and cold products. So I went back and got a second one, also priced at $3.99, and I got back a $4 extra buck for purchasing 2 cough and cold products, making 2 of these completely free. And this is my complete haul at CVS. So the subtotal for all of these items came up to $105.17. I did receive this $3 off a $15 flash coupon in my email. So I was able to use this coupon along with all the other digital coupons previously mentioned. So I used a total of $33 in digital coupons, which brought the total down to $72.17. But we got back a total of $34 in extra bucks. I know I mentioned I messed up on the L'Oreal deal, but once I return and purchase the correct item, then I will receive that $20 extra buck. And we're also getting back a total of $12 from Ibotta for the Thanks products, plus 2% cash back on any receipt. And my husband only needs to redeem the 2% cashback offer 2 more times in order to earn that $5 bonus. So I'll be submitting one of the Thanks receipts today to count as the first redemption. And I'll be submitting the receipt that only contains the cough medicine tomorrow when that offer renews in order to earn that $5 bonus. So if we include that $5 bonus in our breakdown, that makes a total of $17 coming back from Ibotta. And since my receipt is still pending, I won't include the few pennies that we're getting back for the 2% off any receipt offer. Plus, we're getting back a total of $6.20 from SHOPKICK. So in the end, our final cost for all of these items ended up being just $14.97, making each item just $1.51. I think that's a really awesome deal, especially for the L'Oreal products. And we were running low on toilet paper. We were down to our last pack of Cottonelle toilet paper. So I ended up grabbing items that we really needed for our household at a really amazing price, which makes this haul even better for us. And that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys made it to the end of this video, can you please do me a big favor and comment any animal emoji? I would really appreciate it. And if you guys are new to any of the rebate apps mentioned in this video, I will have the referral links in the description. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more money-saving content. God bless.